Ready to revolutionize your project management? Let's dive into Jira. First up, let's create a project. Click on the Create Project button, usually located at the top right or in the left-hand menu. Choose your project template. For starters, a software development or Kanban template are excellent choices. Give your project a name and a key, which is a unique identifier, and click Create. Now, the heart of Jira: managing issues. Issues represent tasks, bugs, or any work item. Click the Create button at the top to open the Create Issue form. You'll see fields like issue type, summary, description, and, importantly, assignee, where you put the person responsible for the task. After filling in these fields, click the Create button once again. Kanban boards are perfect for visualizing your workflow. Once you have created some issues, go to your project's board section. You'll see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, which define your project's progress. Drag and drop your issues from one column to another to reflect their current status, keeping your team in sync. Collaboration is key. Within an issue, add comments, attach files, and tag team members, using @ followed by their username. This ensures everyone is on the same page. Use the Activity section within an issue to track all updates and changes, adding a valuable audit trail for team members to examine. Finally, get insights. Jira offers powerful reporting and analytics. Open the Report section of your project. Here, you can generate charts and graphs based on different metrics, like the sprint velocity of each individual team member, project progress, and bug resolution times. Congratulations! Now you've taken the first step to project mastery.